All right, today we're learning how to make a line of best fit with a scatter plot. And so that line of best fit is a useful tool for us to be able to predict other values that might be found if we were going to either extrapolate about a time that's not on here. For instance, in our experimental data here, we have up to day 10 that we collected data. So we could ask ourselves, what would day 20 look like? And there's different ways of looking at that, or we could predict what's going to happen on a day, on a typical day for day 5 even. We have a data point there, but again, this is not a completely linear model, but we would want to see where the trend line is. So what we do is we try to pick up, we hopefully are trying to pick up 2 points that we can use to create a line, and then we want the rest of the points to be evenly distributed between the above and below the line. But we also want it to go in the right trend line. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm going to look at maybe doing this one and this one as part of my line. And I believe that's going to leave with me with about 4 on each side of my line. Let me get that lined up just a little bit better. And then I also want my line to go through the entire graph. My entire graph. And there we go. It's the line of best fit. So let's check. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 below and 1, 2, 3, 4 above my line. I did manage to catch 2 points as part of my line. It's definitely going in the right direction. Now, it's important that you have that slope be similar to how your data is going, because I could easily distribute things above and below. I could have done this line right here. I could have connected these 2 points, right? And I had 4 above and 4 below, but you're going to notice that that's a clustering of 4 right up there at the top and 4 below it when you get down here. This is a better indicator of the line than this line would be. Could do something similar where I maybe picked up these lines right here, and again I have a big clustering above. I could have had the trend line be similar, but I'd have, like, if I did it here, but I would have way too many points above. Similarly, I could have gotten the trend line in the right slope, let's say, and then had all of the points below. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to have my line somewhat in the middle and following the same direction. That's what a line of best fit is. And that's our lesson for today.